Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English vocabulary, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're exploring the word aide. If you're aiming to expand your vocabulary and sharpen your communication skills, you're in the right place. So, what does aide mean? Simply put, an aide is a person who assists someone, often in a professional or official capacity. This word is commonly used when referring to someone who provides support to an individual in a leadership role, such as a manager, politician, or healthcare professional. Let's explore some synonyms for aide. You might use words like assistant, helper, or supporter. For example, you could say, "The manager's assistant prepared the presentation in advance," or "She served as a helper at the event, ensuring everything ran smoothly." Each of these captures the idea of someone providing support or assistance. Now, let's look at some antonyms. Opposites of aide might include supervisor, leader, or boss. For instance, you might say, "The supervisor delegated tasks to the team," or "The leader was responsible for making the final decision." These terms highlight roles that are more about giving direction than offering assistance. How might you use aide in everyday life? Imagine you're describing a situation at work. The new hire quickly became an invaluable aide to the project manager. Or perhaps in a medical setting, the nurse's aide helped ensure patients received the care they needed. It's a versatile word that fits well in professional and formal contexts. Here are some more examples of aide in sentences. The senator's aide arranged her schedule to include a town hall meeting. The teacher's aide helped grade papers and organize the classroom. The president relied on a trusted aide for critical advice during negotiations. To sum up, today we've explored the word aide, which means a person who assists someone, often in a professional context. We've discussed synonyms like assistant, helper, and supporter, as well as antonyms like supervisor, leader, and boss. I hope you've found this episode helpful and inspiring for your English journey. Before we wrap up, I'd love for you to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and grow their vocabulary too. Why not create your own sentence using aide and share it in the comments? I can't wait to see your creativity. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you next time on Hello Word.